Hello everyone, my name is Samsujja Sayon and I am making a course on Inkscape. The basics of Inkscape. Do you know what is Inkscape? Uh, in this video we'll show how to use Inkscape to make vector graphics. Actually, before that we need to know what is Inkscape. Inkscape's free and open source software is uh, that is classified as both free software and open source software. That is, anyone is freely licensed to use, copy, study, and any kind of change in the software you can do in any way. If you know, if you know the coding and the source code is available for you, you can anytime you can change in that software. Inkscape is a good alternative of Illustrator. However, wherever you are an illustrator, designer, or web designer, or just someone who needs to create some vector imagery, Inkscape is for you. There are some powerful features, flexible drawing tools in Inkscape you can find, and another one is board file format compatibility, powerful text tool, Bezier tool. That is the specialty of Inkscape. Inkscape is professional quality vector graphics software which runs on Linux, Mac, and Windows. Yeah, that means you can, if you are familiar with Linux or Mac OS, it's good. It's good for you. You can follow this tutorial along with me. And if you are on Windows, then welcome. I am also using Windows. And if you are not, if you are using Linux or Mac, that's totally okay. Or some other video tutorial on YouTube how to install Inkscape on your computer. And in next video I will show how to install Inkscape in Windows operating system, so that you can, it's very easy, trust me, it's very easy. You just need to search on Google and find the first link, inkscape.org, and download that. If you can do this, it's okay. You don't need to watch next video. You can skip that video. Thank you and see you in next video.